Shandong Ruijie CNC Technology Group Company Limited, established in 2002, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of fiber laser cutting machine, metal, non-metal mixed laser cutting machine, carbon dioxide laser engraving and cutting machine, advertising CNC Router, woodworking CNC Router and plasma cutting machine. We are located in Jinan with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. With powerful R&D team and precise production technology, Ruijie products are not only spread all over the country, but also sell well in more than 120 countries, such as Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the United States. Meanwhile, Ruijie have established factories and branch offices in South Africa, Brazil, Thailand, India, Iran, and other countries, which laid a high status in laser field all over the world. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Professional, focused, innovative, and efficient business philosophy is deeply imprinted in the hearts of every Ruijie people. Ruijie people insist on providing the best service to customers and creating the best experience. We are sincere to build business relationship with you.